שלום לכולם וברוכים שבים לעוד סרטון של מתאבד קורבן עברית. We're so happy to have you back. Welcome back. Another video. This is going to be greetings and parts of the day. So you guys can greet each other and you'll know what part of the day it is. So ברכות בחלקי היומim. Let's jump right in. So the most common greeting that you will hear in Ivrit or Hebrew is Shalom. Shalom. I think we all know this one. It means peace. And of course, we use it in a modern way to say hello. You can even say goodbye by just saying shalom. But it has a deeper meaning. And so shalom, again, means peace, but it comes from a root. And the root is shalem. Shalem. And shalem means to make something good, whole, fulfilled, restore, complete, repay a debt. So when you greet someone shalom, you are literally telling them that you want peace to be upon you. May you be fulfilled. May you be completed. And so something to take into account when you greet somebody shalom, you really, really mean it. You really want them to be at peace, right? So shalom comes from the root shalem. Yom. Yom is day. Very simple, right? Yom. Yom is a day. And if we want to say good day, then we say Yom Tov. Tov is good. Yom Tov, good day. Another very common greeting. Next, we have Boker. Boker. Boker, as you can see from the sunrise, means morning. Boker. And just like with Yom, you want to tell someone to have a good morning. Good morning. Boker Tov. Boker Tov. So the literal translation is morning good, right? So usually the adjective in Hebrew comes after the noun. So not Tov Boker, like we would say in English, good morning, but it's Boker Tov, morning good. Just like Yom Tov, day good. Have a good day. Boker Tov, good morning. Okay? Can you tell what part of the day this is and what greeting this is? Doesn't this look like an afternoon sky? Afternoon. So we have Sahoraim. Sahoraim. Okay? Sahoraim is afternoon. So here we have a diagram, sunrise, solar noon. This is the Sahoraim and sunset. So the reason why we have a plural here, the yod and the mem is making this plural, unlike the last two, is because it has something to do with the number of rays from the sun that are in the sky during the solar noon. So when you greet beginning Tahoraim, you're not only telling them good afternoon or addressing the afternoon, but you're actually addressing the practical, literal part of the day that has multiple rays of sun from the sun in the sky. So Tsahoraim. And we say Tsahoraim Tovim. So because Tsahoraim is plural, we must also make Tovim plural. So one more time, Tsahoraim Tovim. Good afternoon.
תקשיבו לשיחה הזאת בין שתי נשים בקפה.
Listen to this conversation between two women at a cafe. סליחה, צהריים טובים. אני רחל, מי את?
צהריים טובים, אני חמדה. נעים מאוד רחל.
נעים מאוד, חמדה. שיהיה לך יום טוב.
יום טוב.
תקשיבו שוב.
Listen again.
סליחה, צהריים טובים. אני רחל, מי את?
צהריים טובים, אני חמדה. נעים מאוד, רחל.
נעים מאוד, חמדה. שיהיה לך יום טוב.
יום טוב.
Let's do a little practice with a short dialogue. We have here, Shalom, Sahoraim Tovim, Ani Rachel, Mi'at. Hello, peace. Good afternoon. I am Rachel. Who are you? And she says, Sahoraim Tovim, Ani Chemda, Na'im Me'od Rachel. Good afternoon. I am Chemda. Nice to meet you, Rachel. Shihyeh lach yom tov, Chemda. Shihyeh, it will be, lach, to you, yom tov, good day, Chemda. So she's telling her to have a good day, or in other words, saying, basically, you're going to have a good day. It will be to you a good day. Okay? Shihyeh lach yom tov, Chemda. She says, yom tov. Let's go back one more time. שלום, צהריים טובים, אני רחל, מי את? צהריים טובים, אני חמדה, נעים מאוד רחל. תהיה לך יום טוב, חמדה. Yom Tov. So hopefully now you guys can have a short conversation. What you learned today. You learned parts of the day today. We learned Yom, which is day, Boker, which is morning, Rhyme, Sahoraim, which is afternoon. I know that that can be tricky. Just take your time and sound it out. Sahoraim. We also learned in section 2, Shalom, Boker Tov, right? Shalom is peace and hello. Boker Tov, good morning. Sahoraim Tovim, good afternoon. And Yom Tov. So one more time, Yom, Boker, Sahoraim, Shalom, Boker Tov, Sahoraim Tovim, and Yom Tov. So with my sister Shmira's last video and this video combined, you should be able to introduce yourself with the proper pronouns and the proper part of the day with the correct greetings. Hopefully this helped you all to be more confident and you guys can start having real conversations with one another because again, we teach you everyday Hebrew that you can actually use. So like, share, and subscribe, and we will be addressing some common comments and some other things like my sister said in her last video as well. And we look forward to seeing you all again next time. Thank you so much. תודה רבה, ולהתראות.